Good morning, this is Jack from Charting the Markets Crypto, and this is the pre-market webinar for the morning of Tuesday, the 29th of October. My disclaimer, I do this for educational purposes only. I'm here to share my technical analysis with you. I hope you can take some of what I'm doing and learn from it, transfer it to your own charts. I'm not here to issue trading signals. Right. Okay, we've got a interesting looking setup this morning, so I'm going to start with Solana. Solana has now reached the bull flag resistance that I've been talking about. Nice test, bit of a pullback since then. As I mentioned yesterday, this means that we've now got a possible RSI 14 sell here. And that RSI 14 sell signal could be the first sign, obviously, of a reversal. So basically, Solana needs to break up through this resistance. We've got the high this morning was at 182.57. That was pretty much a perfect test of the trend line that I've drawn in. So we will see how it goes from here. But a break up looks for a retest of the high here at 209.86. I think sooner or later this is going to break up. The question is whether it's going to break up now. I think we'll see how that goes. But if we see a reversal here, I'm expecting that to be of limited duration. I mean, it could be still a fairly sharp retracement, but I'm expecting it to be a limited duration, and then we will come back, and then we will break up. But the question is whether we're going to do that now or whether we're going to do that later. Looking at the hourly chart, no current divergence. Looking at the 15-minute chart, we've got an RSI 14 sell signal fix. That's not going to get terribly far. But as I was noting yesterday, we now have a potential level top here. Now, it's not as nice as it would have been if we'd stopped here yesterday, but it's still nice. And if we were to see a breakdown below the 159.14 area, we would have a target, which would be in the 136 to 139 area. And that is potentially what we're looking at if we see a sharp reversal and a daily sell signal here. Looking at Bitcoin, Bitcoin has broken up over the broken up with confidence. It made the retest I was expecting. It's broken up with confidence, really, as I was expecting to. And we are on the way. We should be on the way to the flag target at 73.8. Now, there's no time limit on that. We do not need to make that straight away. But there's no reason, as long as Solana breaks up, there's no reason to think that we wouldn't be seeing that in the next 3 or 4 trading days. And possibly sooner. We do have a possible weak RSI 14 sell signal brewing here. I'm not taking it particularly seriously, but I am noting that we do have a potential. We've got an inflection point here. As Solana has hit its bull flag resistance, we've got a potential point of failure. So I'm looking around for support for that. We don't have anything on the hourly chart. Obviously, we had the triangle. It broke up, made target at the retest 69.5, and has gone significantly higher. On the 15-minute chart, we've got an RSI 14 sell signal fix. That's not going to get this very far, but I've got a little level top here that on a sustained break below the 7750 area would get us back into about the 70,000 area. It's only small. Basically, that would just come close to filling the gap from yesterday's close. We'll see how that goes. All right, Ethereum. I was saying it was probably going to break back over the daily middle band, and it broke back over the daily middle band. Now, we could a rejection from here, but I'm liking the upside here. We've got an hourly RSI 14 sell signal fixed here, a weak one, and a full RSI 5 sell signal fixed. Basically, short-term negative divergence across the board, suggesting a bit of a retracement here, but there's nothing really compelling saying that's going to be large. On the 15-minute chart, do we have a RSI 14 sell signal fixed here? Yes, we do. So leaning towards seeing some retracement here, and then we will see how it goes. But I am liking. I'm quite liking a break up here. I'm just seeing a potential point of failure. We've got some daily negative divergence here. There is a potential sizable retracement that could happen here. And it's at the obvious place, which is the test of the bull flag resistance on the Solana chart. So expecting to see a bit of retracement, then we see. What's going to happen here. If that turns into a large retracement, then we could be on the way back to potential double top support in the 159 area, and then potentially that could get us back into the 130s, which would be disappointing at this stage. I'm thinking we've got a decent chance of breaking up sooner than that, so we shall see. All right, great. In that case, I think that's a wrap. I'll have everything posted as soon as possible. I'm not seeing any questions. Nope. So my pleasure as always, guys. I'll have everything posted, and I'll catch you guys later.